Hello guys, today lecture 3, chapter 1st, real number. Today we are going to discuss about the irrational number. Okay, we already know about the rational numbers. The rational numbers which come form of P by Q format. Similarly, irrational number which do not express in term of P by Q format. So we can write the example root 3, root 5, root 7, any prime number in under root. We can say these are the irrational number. Okay. After that, co-prime numbers is most important. What is co-prime numbers? It means that suppose you have given the two numbers 625, you can write 6 1 2 3 6. These are the odd factors 25 1 5 25. So which are the common thing? Only one. So one is a co-prime number. Again you have another 2 and 3. You have 2 and 3 digits, so you can say 2 is a 1 multiplied 2, 3 is a 1 multiplied 3. It means that 1 and 2 are the factors and 1 and 3 are factors in which the 1 is common, so we can say 1 is the co-prime number. Okay, let us we move on how to prove the irrational number. Okay, the first question is to prove the root 3 is irrational number. How we can prove the irrational number? These are the question in the 10th class board. They can ask, generally they can ask the one question. These are the four types of format. This is the first question. So how we can solve? First, let us assume that root 3 is irrational. You have to assume that the root 3 is rational number. Okay, so let a b are integers. You have to take that a b integers. These integers are the co-prime number. So assuming a b are co-prime number, so you can write the root 3. It is a rational number which comes to the format of p by q. You can either write a by b. So root 3 equals to a by b. Now taking both side square. Now take the both side square. You can write like this. Taking keep in bracket. So root 3 whole square a by b whole square. Root 3 whole square equals to 3a square b square. Now after that this cross multiply just. Okay, the b square should be here and a square by 3. This means that a theorem here applied for proving the irrational is, this means that the a square is divided by 3. A square here is divisible by 3. Therefore a is also divisible by 3 because the a square is the multiple of a into a. Understood or not? When the a square is divisible by 3, so the a is divisible by 3. A theorem is applied here. Now take the a equals to 3c. Take a equals to 3c. So put it here. So b square equals to 3c whole square equals to 3. 3c whole square is 9c whole square divided by 3. So 9 3 3 are 9. So you will get 3c square. So now b square equals to 3c square. It means that when you divide 3 by b square, so you will get 3 square c square. Okay, so c square equals to b square by 3. Again you can write, this means that the b square is divisible by 3, so b is divisible by 3. Same theorem you can write here. After that we are finding that here the a and b have at least 3 as a common factor. Why? Look here. Now when you get b square c square equals to b square by 3, it means that the 3 is divisible. Yes, 3 is divided for b square. Now in above equation, similarly here you can say, yes, a square divided by 3. Here the 3 is also come, so we can say the a and b have at least 3 as a common factor, but this contradict that the a and b are co-prime number. Understood? a and b आर को प्राइम नंबर. इट मीन्स दैट इनके अंदर एक चीज़ कॉमन है. ए बी आर क्या है? को प्राइम नंबर है. सो ए बी हैव एटलीस्ट 3 एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर. 3 तो कॉमन फैक्टर आ ही रहा है, बट इसके अंदर ए बी है, वो क्या है? को प्राइम नंबर है. सो दिस कांट बी पॉसिबल. सो देयरफॉर आवर assumption is wrong, so that the root 3 is irrational. Understood? This last line is as common for all the question. Nearby you have to change the only the digits. Okay, suppose, okay, now the same question, this is the another question. Now root 2 is, now again root 5, yeah, root 11. You have to prove that. So you can either 1 upon root 2 or 1 upon root 3. You have to prove that. The same manner you have to solve that. Okay, just the digit will be changed. Here the 3, it means that root 2 अगर रूट 2 के सवाल होगा तो यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, रूट 5 होगा तो 5 आएगा, रूट 11 होगा तो 11 आएगा. Understood? These are the all things are same. These are all questions are same. Understood? Now you have second question. Suppose you have question like this: prove 5 root 3 is irrational. Okay, the same thing. Start from let 5 root 3. Let 5 root 3 is rational number. Rational. And the A, B are co-prime number, or you can say right, these are integers, the same thing. Okay, so you can write like 5 root 3 equals to A by B. Okay, now 5 is a multiple of 3, so you can transfer it here. So root 3 equals to A upon 5B. Okay, as earlier we have proved that the root 3 is irrational, but we have taken that the root 3 is 5 root 3 is a rational number. It means that if this is the rational number, A upon 5, this is rational number. Okay, so this is rational, so this equal signs belongs that this should be equals to this. If this is rational number, therefore root 3 is also rational number, but we know that the root 3 is irrational. Understood? We know that the root 3 is, earlier we have proved that the root 3 is irrational, therefore this whole fraction should be a irrational, so our assumption is wrong. Understood? So our assumption is wrong. Okay, since 5 comma A comma B are integers, A upon 5B is rational. We have proved that A upon 5B is rational, so the root 3 is also rational. Yes, but this contradict that fact root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is irrational, so we conclude that 5 root 3 is irrational. Okay, now look it carefully. Starting 5 root 3 is rational, A, B are co-prime number, or we can write A, B are integers, so you can write 5 root 3 equals to A upon B. So 5 is transferred here by cross multiplication, A upon 5B. Since the 5 A, B are integers, then A upon 5B is rational number. As we know that these are the rational, so this becomes also rational, but we know that the root 3 is irrational. There is no need to prove the root 3 is irrational. Understood or not? Okay, so but this contradict that fact root 3 is irrational, so we conclude that the 5 root 3 is irrational. Okay, if you have any doubts, then comment, like, share and subscribe please.